Then we move on to Helios Life Association. You have the floor.
President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, freedom is an illusion. The highest value in life we fight for, we strive for, and we die for, de facto, does not exist. As long as any restriction is there in place, there cannot be freedom, because real freedom can only be total. Restrictions are bound to be there because we live in the society, country and world based on rules and laws, national security, preservation of others' rights and moral values. Restrictions will be there as long as there is no understanding and no awareness. The freedom to do as one pleases is also not a freedom, as desiring and wanting anything comes from our mind, which is our own limitation and bondage. There is no contradiction between freedom of expression and prohibition of hate speech. No contradiction whatsoever between any freedom and any restriction, because freedom is not the point here. Freedom does not exist. What we fight for, Mr. President, is justice. What we fight for is the absence of abuses. What we fight for is the human right to happiness. In reality, we do not seek freedom, for freedom involves fear and entails responsibility, while what we want in life are securities. According to me, freedom means something else. Freedom from the constant battle, suffering, pain, uncertainty. To achieve that, we don't need to revolt against circumstances, which only breeds other circumstances. All what we need is awareness. Mr. President, I call for a creation of an HRC working group on education for life, in charge for awareness building, true empowering, for the purpose of uplifting the human condition. I thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.